Here's how you make your lawn look like the outfield at Fenway. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, giving you the best tips and tricks to survive life in and out of the garage. And before we get striping, if you're feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe. I recently did a video on how to install a lawn striping kit on your 21-inch lawnmower, and I'll have that video linked down below in the description. I had some really great results with it right off the get-go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lay down some super stripes or some really wide stripes that really command the attention of your neighbors. Time to get striping. All right, we are going to be striping the side lawn today. This part of my lawn always looks amazing every fall. It's super dark green right now, thick and healthy. Good girl. Striping kit is locked and loaded. Let's go! To begin, you'll want to give yourself an area to turn your mower around in. I'm going to start by doing a perimeter pass around the area I plan to stripe. Next, I'll just set an angle and go right up the center. I found angle stripes typically get the most attention. Then I'll come down one side, make another pass up directly next to my very first pass, and come down right next to my second pass. Now for the tricky part. You can go one of two ways, and I strongly recommend, as you're making your pass, plan your turn ahead of time. This way you'll know whether to go right or left. I'm going to go up next to my dark stripes and set another light stripe. Make sure you are looking where you are going next. Then I'll come down the middle of my dark stripes and go back up next to my light stripe. I'll come down and set a dark stripe. Go back up down the middle of my light stripes and set my next dark stripe on the way down. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look great already? This looks outstanding. Essentially, when you do this, you are doing double cuts. But that's okay, whatever it takes to show the neighbors who's got the best lawn on the block. Let's get back at it. There we go, we are done, and check out those stripes. These are without a doubt super stripes. Super wide, super dark, super light. Super good looking. The neighbors in those three houses are probably looking onto my lawn and saying, come on, bro. From far away, these stripes really catch your eye. Now from where I'm standing, the sun is directly behind me, and that's actually gonna be the best spot because it's gonna really showcase the stripes nicely. If I go over to this side of my lawn, typically when the sun is facing you, the stripes do not show off that well. With the sun now setting behind my house, these stripes even look great from this side. Also, stripe your lawn in the direction that you think it'll get the most views. For example, traffic coming this way down my street, they're gonna see these stripes as they pass by. Cars coming up the road would see them better from this direction. Also, be sure to vary your patterns from week to week. Going this direction one week and maybe in the opposite the following. Pressing down your grass in the same direction can lead to ruts in the lawn, as well as some other issues, so be sure to change up your patterns on a weekly basis. Plus, different angles will catch the eyes of different neighbors, and in no time flat, all the neighbors will be talking about how great your lawn looks. And what's really cool is these stripes will hang around for about 5 days or so. Another thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to do these stripes over and over again if the lawn is wet. Once in a while is usually fine, but this could lead to fungus issues in your lawn if you press the grass down over and over again. I did a video a while back on preventing fungus in your lawn, and I'll have it linked down below as well. And lastly, don't forget to keep your lawn healthy. Keep your lawn healthy by regularly fertilizing it throughout the growing season. This will make your stripes stand out more all season long. I am super impressed with how these Super Stripes turned out, and that striping kit did an awesome job. Don't forget to give me one of these. For more cool videos on how to make your lawnmower last a lifetime, check out my links right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.